Assalamu alaikum, welcome back guys, and I am with you for new tutorial series, that is the #1 programming language of the world is Python. So in this tutorial we will learn basic as well as advanced concepts of Python. So in this tutorial I give the overview of the ID that we are going to use. We are using the ID that is PyCharm. You have an idea about this ID. There is lot of tutorials are available on YouTube that helps to how to install the PyCharm. You can easily install a PyCharm ID in your system. So in this tutorial we are going to create a program that tell us the given integer or given number is even or odd. So the first step is that to create a Python file. So go to a new section and click on the Python file. Give the name of file even or odd. Just I put press the enter. So the first step is clear. Now the second step is that in this tutorial a user gives the input to the system. So we use the input function. First we create the object is equal to int input function. Then if a modulus operator, it means divided by 2, and their remainder will be a 0, so it's print it even. Then else condition, else print either odd. So our program is almost completed, so we are going to execute it. I put the number 4 to the machine, so the 4 number is also even. So guys, hope you are understand well. Inshallah we will meet in next tutorial series. Filhal, Allah Hafiz.